Our theta frequency, between 4 to 8 hertz, is our subconscious mind. Now, when we can tap into our subconscious mind through deep meditation, we can have self-discovery and healing. So if you're feeling ungrounded, insecure, or worried, accessing theta can help you tap into your subconscious mind, which can lead to healing traumas, healing repressed memories, and an overall sense of well-being. So to access theta, a breathing technique I'm going to show you is alternate nostril pranayama, Nadi Shodhana. So you can take your index finger and middle finger in like this. Take your right thumb, cover up your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Pause, cover up the left, exhale through the right. Deep breath in through the right. Pause, cover up the right, exhale through the left. Deep breath in through the left. Pause, cover up the left, exhale through the right. Deep breath in through the right. Pause, cover up the right, exhale through the left. And keep alternating the nostril before each exhale. I encourage you to practice this breathing technique for 3 to 5 minutes. And as you do this, think of creating a little inward journey for yourself. See if you can observe your thoughts that may arise without judging your thoughts, without attaching any stories to your thoughts, and even without identifying with your thoughts. Just think of this as an inward journey as you practice this alternate pranayama. And this breathing technique can also help balance the 2 hemispheres of your brain, balance hormones. The other benefits are listed in the description of this video.